do it.
You rock my world. Can you give me that?
Wow.
Yay.
I've been replaced, guys.
New bike, who this?
Oh, God.
Hey. Oh, wait, we were recording. We love
What's up,
baby.
Jatie fam? Welcome
Good
back to our
morning.
channel.
Why do she says what's up when it's morning, and then she says good morning, Jatie fam, when we start vlogging at like 2 p.m.
Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
Good morning, Jatie fam.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Katie. I don't know what was going on with my
Guys,
voice there.
today is about to be the most epic.
They don't know
the
who you
most
They don't know who you are.
She's right, guys. If you knew who,
If you knew who.
if you're
If
new
you knew who
here,
I is.
if you're new here, you guys are the Jatie fam. It's your freaking boy Josh, baby.
And I'm Katie.
Did you just clap for me?
Yeah, because I'm like,
Give me a K.
K.
Give me a A.
Hey.
Give me a T. I-E, that's too long. It's Katie.
Katie, I already said hi. I said hi a long time ago and you were supposed to say hi.
Oh, my
Jeez,
bad.
we're having,
Anyways,
one second,
let's
we're
get-
having problems.
Babe, be better, alright?
You're the one who's messing
Alright.
up.
The JD
One
fan
second,
wants to
don't-
see you
don't
be
look.
savage, okay?
Stop.
Be better.
Don't fight in front of
Look
our
away,
kids.
kids.
Don't. We're not doing this. We're
Tell
not.
them what we're doing.
Oh, today's gonna be really awesome. It's gonna be
That
terrible.
sucks.
Today's gonna be the most epic.
The most savage vlog.
Ever, because I'm going to teach my girlfriend how to ride a motorcycle. Oh, God. Just seeing her sit on it freaks me out. So we seem like a lot of YouTubers be like teaching my girlfriend how to drive a stick.
Oh my God.
And this is
Not
way,
falling, is it?
I hope not. This is way more epic than driving a stick shift car, alright? It's a motorcycle, it's only got 2 wheels, and she's
you
a
just
girl.
got it wrapped.
And she can't even drive her own car, so how's she gonna drive this? Oh,
Don't even come to my driving skills. I will ruin you.
First of all, who hit the side of their mirror on a post?
Let's not talk about it, let's not talk about it.
Because they were so excited to see some pretty girl, aka me.
let's not talk about
Let's go
that.
get that pumping.
Alright, give him the countdown, like the 3, 2, 1,
All
like
right, ready?
savage countdown.
Wait, okay,
Give him
ready?
that. Give him that.
And 3.
2.
Wait, I can't count.
Bruh.
And 3. And 2. And 1. Hey. Joshie B, are you ready?
What's good?
Okay, so first things first, Jatie fam, this is what we gotta do. Okay, let me just turn over.
What we
can
gotta
see
do?
Joshie B a little more. Okay, so we're gonna train me to ride a bike before I ride the real bike.
Yeah,
we gotta learn how to put on the helmet, like dress, all that.
We gotta put her through some like crash tests and like a bunch of stuff. So just stay tuned because the bike, her actually riding my motorcycle is coming.
So first we're gonna go to my house and we're gonna train. And then we're gonna test my skills. We're gonna come back to Josh's house and I'm gonna whip that biatch on the freaking highway.
It's like a $20,000 motorcycle. Like, please don't cry.
You got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
I'm like, it's like a, oh my god, it's like a $20,000. Like, I'm so rich. Alright guys, it's time.
It's time. Now we start your training, girl.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Do you have to ask me questions or anything?
No, let's get you suited up.
Suited.
Have you ever ride a motorcycle?
I mean,
Like ever in your life? Like drove one?
well, I was on it one time with you. Does that count?
You're good. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, guys. I just want to say this quick disclaimer real quick before we start like vlogging the whole motorcycle thing. I love my girlfriend, but I love my motorcycle more. I mean, yeah, that's what I meant to say. Are you ready to get suited up, girlfriend?
I mean, I guess.
Safety first. We got you a nice little motorcycle riding jacket because you gotta flex if you got a motorcycle, right? You
But
gotta
wait, I
flex,
can't
like-
ride shirtless like you?
No, I mean,
Oh wait,
Yeah,
that might be a
look
little
good.
inappropriate.
And then we got you some gloves and a nice little helmet.
Ooh, I like the helmet.
Alright, let's get you suited up.
Okay, so.
Wow, this is gonna look like one of those like, oh babe, are you cold? Take my jacket.
I don't have to zip it up, do I?
No, no.
Oh, it's got some padding in it.
This is only for looks, okay? Safety first, guys.
What's up, bro? Yeah, I ride my motorcycle.
Alright, gloves.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, I'm not. Ow! All my fingers went in these two. Why is it so big?
I got big hands.
You know what that means? Big gloves. Why? Ew.
Alright.
Ew, they smell like gas.
We're getting
I look
suited
like
up.
a skeleton.
Alright, ready? Last but not least.
Wait,
You know, when she not that cute.
Hey, babe, I really just want to teach you how to ride my motorcycle. Put this helmet on.
Whoa, look, people are watching us. Put this on. This is my beautiful girlfriend, guys. She's gorgeous.
I can't
Dang,
breathe.
look at her. She's ready. She looks great. Hey, when you hang out with Bae too much and he's a fighter.
No.
Are you ready to go, babe? Next stop.
We're gonna get the motorcycle.
Let's put you on the bike, babe. Let's go. All right, guys, here she comes. Yeah, you thought we were gonna start on a real motorcycle first, babe? No, we need to practice first.
I'm too big.
We talking about practice.
Should I pop a wheelie?
Pop a wheelie. Let's see how that gear works, though. She's going down.
Let me practice again.
Go crazy. Get your balance. Yeah. Oh, skirt. Oh, skirt, skirt. All right, girlfriend. Now we gotta work on your biker talk.
What?
Okay, skirt by.
Skirt.
I'll be like, what's up, ladies?
What's up, ladies? Yeah, my bike's nice, but you should see my arms.
Be like, wanna go for a ride?
Wanna ride? You know what I'm saying?
All right, babe, your biker talk was not good enough. Like,
Oh, what are you-
sure, a girl walks by, you can say whatever, but what happens when a guy walks by and tries to flex on you?
Hey, sexy, wanna ride? I meant. Oh, wait, I meant. Oh, wait, what do I say?
You want to race, bro?
You want a race, bro?
There you go.
Whoa, crazy.
That's my girl. I mean, that's my guy. I mean, yeah. All right, guys, we upgraded. Babe, where's your helmet?
I upgraded bike.
No, where's your helmet? She's not ready. All right, we need more practice. I'm sorry, Jatie fam.
But look how cool my bike is. It's pink.
All right, let's move on to the real bike.
Wait, this isn't the real bike?
No.
Guys, we totally forgot to tell you guys. Well, I'm sure you already figured out. We're matching again.
We really are.
And we didn't plan this. I had this on first in my defense. Like,
What are you talking about?
you didn't wear that to the
came over
gym.
to my house. Yeah, but I didn't see what you were wearing after the gym. You came over and you were wearing the green top, and I was wearing this green top.
Anyway, we're going back to his house because now we're gonna try on the actual bike.
Yeah, she's gonna. I don't want to do it. Do it for the vlog, baby. Do it for the vlog. Dang, she's stunning out here. Look at my girl. Okay.
Where's my jacket?
You're supposed to wear your jacket and gloves, but like, we'll let it slide for right now. What? Oh my God, girl, chill.
Hey boys. Oh wait, hey ladies.
Oh, she's gonna do it. She ain't gonna do it. Don't do it.
Alright guys.
Alright guys, so first test run. Don't.
What?
She's gonna drive it.
I'm scared.
But I'm
Ow, I just pinched my finger.
I want to sit behind her like a passenger, and she's gonna drive, and like hopefully she doesn't stall out a bunch of times.
If
But
I
she
break this
probably
car, it's
will.
not my fault. I didn't want to do this video. He made me.
Let's go!
I did it, guys.
I'm a professional.
We survived!
Woo!
Ah.
Josh
want
said
you
I have to wear this all day.
I want you to actually like drive it. Like I feel like she's a fast learner and she's pretty athletic, so I feel like she could do it. I learned how to ride a motorcycle
looks-
on YouTube, to be
The
honest.
problem is that I just like I wish that you had like one that wasn't like expensive because like the problem is that I just like I wish that you had like one that wasn't like expensive because like
Yeah.
I'm not trying to ruin your style,
too
but it was kind of
expensive,
fun. Okay, I got this one.
No! Just want to say shout out to my boy Austin real quick. I'm gonna pop his Instagram right here. You guys gotta go give him a follow.
Go check it out. He
did
raps
a
this.
Sick color. He made my my bike looks sick. This is gonna be black, so this is gonna look super
Yeah,
cool. It's gonna
'cause
be
it was
black and
red.
blue. Comment down below, guys, if you want Katie to actually ride my motorcycle.
Like by myself?
Ride it all alone, like for
Babe,
real,
I'm not
for
doing
real.
that.
Or if you guys want me to take her for a ride on my motorcycle, we can do that.
Woo, that'd be fun. All right, guys, we just got back from
We were watching some fights, JD fam. It was lit. But we
was
weren't allowed to bring the camera in. We were gonna vlog it, and then like we didn't vlog
Curry
it,
was
and
tight.
like yeah, it was tight. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so here we are.
Here we
Now,
are
like, 10 hours
in the
later.
car. I don't remember
In the
what
car.
video we filmed. Oh, you taught me how to ride your bike
You
today.
rode my motorcycle. It was hype. I was
Guys,
so scared,
He
but
won't let me ride it by myself.
It's a process,
comment down
guys,
below
like-
if you think I should be able to.
she's gotta like get the basics down and then actually ride it. The camera's about to die.
All right, we love you guys.
We love you guys.
Hey, we're still here. We're still here. Okay. Don't forget to enter the giveaway.
Go on to the giveaway and subscribe, click the notification bell, and follow us on the gram.
Yeah, do that or I'll be sad.
Let's move me a little closer. Hold me, roll me like a coaster. And say you'll never